So once again, we have some bigger news. The first one being from Elon Musk is a new meme that Satoshi simply replied lol, and taller car seats and gamer chairs are the same. Obviously I wouldn't agree with it, but let's jump onto the more news. We're gonna be dropping a like right now, so drop a like if you want more content like this. But Bone icon updated on Coinbase. Obviously this means a lot. Is Bone getting listed on Coinbase? Well, we don't know yet, but Bone SHIBA swap here has an icon. It basically has like a bone here, and then you have a bit of food, and that's the beauty of it. When it will be visible on CoinMarketCap, and it's already visible on CoinGecko, but that's a big thing happening. Will Coinbase ever be listing Bone? That we shall see, but they have to list Shiba Inu first from what we're seeing so far. Definitely good updates. Be sure to check out my Patreon if you want some exclusive news and also a look into the market. Thank you so much for checking that out. It takes you about 2 seconds, and anyone who's out there, welcome. I do also run a secret Discord with many secret members that are going to be joining in. Well, we're going to be looking also into this, but this is just the start of something big. He said, let's go, basically at that we're getting new exchanges, which means a lot to me because, you know, there's a lot of exchanges to be listing SHIB out there. And Shiba Token Cat also saying yes, just the start of something sweet. We don't know what this means, but maybe he's just having a joke. Now for more serious news, you can now track CertiK audits directly from CoinMarketCap. Click the CertiK button and you can click on this. So this is a huge integration for anyone new investing into Shiba Inu. We're having, 1 million on watch list. But the next big thing is when people want to check if this coin is just a meme coin or rug pull or anything else, they can simply click on CertiK, see a score of 92, and that's the next big thing. They can see, this coin is safe. It cannot be rug pulled. It cannot be taken away. It cannot be, hacked into, and that will further gain the trust of paper hands, of beautiful paper hands who just came into crypto. We are now becoming the new fresh and the biggest holders. So the first 1 million holders for Shiba Inu. Imagine when Shiba Inu gets to 10 million holders or 20 million holders, we will be the fresh adopters of SHIB. Now, it might sound crazy right now, but it will happen, and here's why. Firstly, we're cracking down on scammers, SHIB Informer being out there, but S&P, Dow Jones, so stocks are now looking into crypto, and that's a huge thing. Obviously, the prices have been unstable. We deserve a fair shot at having beautiful prices, but Dow Jones indicates launches new cryptocurrency indexes. The S&P Cryptocurrency Broad Digital Market Index is being launched alongside 4 other benchmarks that track cryptocurrencies based on market capitalization. What a beautiful thing. Are they going to be making, long-term cryptocurrency plans? There's a lot of money in crypto, and all of these big exchanges and everyone else knows it. And if we are making some sort of collaboration between stocks and cryptocurrency, imagine the growth. Even if we got those stats on Google, for example, when you typed Shiba Inu coin price, you wouldn't have to go to CoinMarketCap, but Google would indicate the price of the cryptocurrency. S&P Dow Jones Indices, the leading index provider of some of the largest equity benchmarks, has launched a new cryptocurrency index that tracks the performance of the broader digital asset market. And the S&P Cryptocurrency Broad Digital Market Index, labeled BDM, tracks more than 240 digital assets at launch and represents an expansion of the firm's recently launched crypto benchmarks. We can see here Large Cap Index, BDM X Mega Cap Index, BDM X Large Cap Index. So they launched 4 new things. Why should you care about this? Because this will do some sort of collaboration between Shiba Inu holders and between the stockholders. Obviously, a lot of people are not aware how big this is, but the expansion of our digital market indices family gives one of the broadest snapshots yet of this rapidly growing asset class, with the ability to slice and dice by the market cap. And now that Dow Jones first revealed its intent to track cryptocurrency prices in December, we as stock investors can now check the prices by itself. Indexes tracking the price of Bitcoin and Ether debuts in the May of this year. By recognizing cryptocurrencies and developing pricing benchmarks for investors to use, Dow Jones indices bring a new level of legitimacy to the evolving digital asset market. So this is a much bigger thing that you might expect, but this could in turn do some sort of collaboration where countries use this cryptocurrency as a digital asset. This is not only good for your Shiba Inu coins, but also good for your Cardano coins, for your Bitcoin, for your Ethereum, for any coin. For many investors in the cryptocurrency space, broader recognition from Wall Street could catalyze the sector to new highs in terms of adoption and value. Let's just read this again if you do not understand me. For many investors in the cryptocurrency space, broader recognition from Wall Street could catalyze the sector to new highs in terms of adoption and value. Okay, this is huge. Imagine Wall Street investing into crypto. I definitely do want to see it. That beautiful, juicy 500 million investment into Shiba Inu. I want to see it. I want to see that large pump. But hedge funds see the crypto market decline as an investment opportunity. So if hedge funds are seeing the dip as a good thing, this means big institutions are coming in. From rebalancing cash positions to announcing new investment products, hedge funds seem undeterred by the crypto market decline. So they're still trusting it, Hedge funds looking into that, we already talked about investment firms looking into crypto and Bitcoin. Specifically, if Bitcoin goes up, I keep talking about Bitcoin news, Shiba Inu will go up. Losing over half of its United States dollar value and altcoins tagging almost 70% on average. Ooh, Shiba Inu dropped by 90%. That's crazy. But that's a cheap price. Big money players like hedge funds are still taking up digital currency investment positions. Now, one thing tells me if Shiba Inu dropped so much and is now being stable, it does tell you that it could go back up to at its highest because it has that potential, Not a lot of coins just drop from zero when they launch, but not Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is here to stay. As regulated entities continue to explore digital currency investment options, crypto regulations also seem to be taking shape in many jurisdictions. Meanwhile, in the US, regulators such as Securities and Exchange Commission are coming under significant pressure to enact a stricter legal framework for cryptocurrencies. So they want to crack down on crypto. Yes, that's true. But they wanted to do it for a simple reason, to protect the investors. Crypto investment appeal is still strong. So even as a price is crashing, people are profiting if you're holding. As long as you didn't sell, you didn't lose anything. If you sold at a dip, you might have done a silly thing. Obviously, if you sold at a dip, that's simply crazy. If you sell at this level, you either need a lot of money for something or you just don't know, you're very fresh to crypto. According to the report, the 55 billion hedge fund was looking toward late-stage funding for digital finance companies and blockchain outfits working on use cases such as payment system for digital currencies and stablecoins. And Amit Rajpal, CEO of Marshall Wallace Asia Limited, outlined the company's digital asset investment thesis, stating that the focus is on projects working towards redefining financial services, especially in the area of payments. According to Rajpal, digital finance is already changing the architecture of the underlying financial system. Even before reports of its crypto-focused investment portfolio emerged, Marshall Wace has made some forays into the digital asset space. Back in May, the hedge fund participated in USD Coin, stablecoin issuer Circle's $440 million fundraising round. And we can see here, just reading through the headlines, I have been getting contracts from retirement funds, not hedge funds, but retirement funds. Imagine, and I already said this, Shiba Inu and retirement funds doing a collab. I want to see that. I really do. It might take some time, but it will happen. Very different piece, far more slower moving, but maybe 10 times more dollar under their control, and they're slowly coming into crypto. They're slowly coming into crypto is the important thing. But big institutions are coming in. Recent volatility has proved to be an opportunity for certain trading strategies, and in fact, it created an immediate demand for lower volatility defensive funds. So addressing any investment opportunity, especially in crypto, we can see big money players welcome more crypto regulation. The biggest thing, what I'm getting out of this article, is that crypto is still here. It's strong. And the most important thing is that these regulators are coming in. They trust that Shiba Inu will grow. They trust that Bitcoin will grow. Because let's be honest, at rank 30, it's very hard to drop off that rank. It has happened before, but if Shiba Inu dies, I'm pretty sure Dogecoin will have to die as well. The only way for Shiba Inu to die right now is if they have some sort of a rug pull, which is absolutely impossible, or if they had some sort of a hack, which is impossible because they paid Certic a lot of money. But I don't think that will happen. Crypto has had years of regulation. After the regulation is done, that's when we're going to be seeing that slow increase. Bulls will return in the fall. That's what I'm talking about, baby. The bulls are going to be back. The crypto downturn offers a premium investment opportunity for hedge funds and other institutional investors, such as a strategy most likely relies on expectation of the market bounce in the future. As previously reported by Cointelegraph, Sirare has predicted that sideways accumulation will dominate the crypto price action during the summer months. Indeed, since dimming by over 50%, Bitcoin has a range bound between the 32,000 and 36,000 price marks. Bitcoin's lack of significant breakout either way had more means the repeating mini dips and pumps across the crypto market. However, Sirare said he expects a return to the upward parabolic price trajectory in Q4. And I'm really excited about what's to come because I know that there is so much interest in institutional, retail, and as well as this new technology that is poised to change the world. So yeah, bulls are coming back in fall, in September. That's what I was talking about before. They're going to be back for Shiba Inu. They're going to be back for Bitcoin. And most importantly, Shiba Inu is still getting updates. The coin is still being worked on, The devs did not take a break during summer. They did not go on vacation. They've been working hard on releasing Shiba Swap. And as we have Shiba Swap out there, as more coins get staked, the less circulation there will be, the more people will want in for the rewards. Obviously, it's taking time, but it's taking beautiful time. Bear market is actually great for getting work done, they said. The transformation of finance isn't going to stop because we hit a relative price correction. Also stated, serious stakeholders are utilizing the current period as a time for consolidation and growth. So they're, going to be basically preparing on buying in big. Having seen millions of dollars flowing into the coffers of exchanges like Coinbase on a daily basis, firms like NDIX says US banks are keen to get in on the action and begin offering Bitcoin trading services to account holders. Imagine banks wanting to come into crypto. We already saw it in Texas. We're going to be seeing it once again. And that's the beauty of cryptocurrency. We could see a return in 2021, yes, but parabolic gains may not see a return until December or early next year. Well, that's a bit depressing, but I do want to see a return. BitBulls also touched on possibility of a bull market return in 2021, but offered a date closer to the winter period. So he said that we're going to be seeing a big bump in December or early next year. And however, predicted that Bitcoin will end the year trading above the 50,000 price mark. So we're going to be seeing those big increases again, maybe not a huge bump in basically September, but we're still going to be seeing beautiful news for Shiba Inu. Is it going to be reaching back to its highest? Maybe, maybe not. But this is the most beautiful thing I have heard today. So I'm about to cry. I love seeing Shiba Inu grow. Be sure to drop a like. Do you think Shiba Inu will grow in December? Do you think it will grow in September? Do you think Shiba Inu is dead? Do let me know down in the comments below. I'll keep you updated. Thank you so much for all the support today. You guys are awesome.